So when you manage a hotel, you need to know where you stand without digging through multiple platforms, checking ratings, review volumes, response rates, performance over time often means, jumping between tools and spreadsheets. And so that's exactly the problem that the analytics reports are solving. So with Ranova, all of your key reputation KPIs are available into one place so that you can monitor performance, track progresses over time, and quickly understand how your hotel is doing. So that's how it's done on Ranova here. So these are the two menu links that will help you with your KPIs for your reputation. So the first one is the overview. The overview is really the homepage of your Ranova platform. You have any filter that you need here about the country of your guest, the time they stayed or they left a review on, the guest type, the OTA. Once you select the filter that you need, you can simply click on Apply Filter so that the dashboard updates itself. If you need to know what to do or what Ranova is about, you can always click on that button so that you have a small tutorial on how things works around the platform. You have the trends. So the trends are week over week, how you perform into your the best and the worst category. So for example, here the noise disturbance is the best one for this week compared to all the reviews that we collected for that property. The action board is here a snapshot of your action board. So you have more details if you click on the menu here. And we did another video for the action board if you want to check in detail what this is about. So you have here the to-do tasks that you have to do, the one that are in progress, the one that are done. You can see here the Ranova Excellence Score. So this is a metric that is internal to Ranova, and it's an aggregation of all your KPIs. So the review sentiment that we detect, the department performance. So this is, are you good everywhere and not just into some departments? Then you have the response rate. So that's how much you answer to your reviews, the task completion, how much you act on the reviews. And finally, the smart collector engagement, which is how do you start conversations with your guests to get more reviews and is it working or not? Then you have all the KPIs about your review, so the number of reviews that you have, your response rate over time here, and the sentiment performance of your guests that we compute for each review that is incoming into Ranova. And here, a small property summary over week. Then you have the departments here, and this is a breakdown per department. So you can export all of these KPIs into PDF, and you can simply have an overview here per department. So you have the department name, the total number of reviews, the sentiment score, the number of good reviews, the number of bad reviews, the rating, the answer rate, etc., etc. And if at some point you are lost or you don't know what these metrics are about, you can always click on this button here and the one that is also on the overview page where you have everything that is explained to you clearly.